SRT Cherokee jump. I said we can get him to see if I can pull beside him so we can get him to race. I've been trying to mess with him ever since we was at the light, but I don't think he trying to do that. Yeah, that's on tight though. But of course we ain't got no road. Yeah, John hitting. Dang. Where you at? There you go. That John tight though, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, man, I am downtown DC again. On my way home from work. And I'm driving the GMC Acadia, man. And the windshield just cracked all the way across. I mean, I got the worst luck when it comes to these windshield cracks, bro. Okay, look at that Jaguar. Jump here. But anyway, man, I hope y'all having a good day. Unfortunately, I'm not having a great day. Because as you see, I am not driving my Charger, man. Charger is out of commission right now. What is you doing, bruh? I'm telling y'all, man, these folks downtown DC cannot drive, man. But anyway, guys, y'all just don't know how close I was to pulling the trigger on. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of this Scat Pack I was getting ready to buy. I was this close to buying it. Check it out. But I did not get it, man. The only reason why I didn't pull the trigger is I really want the wide body. Now I know everybody's saying that I can add the wide body. Come on, bro, y'all gonna run me off the road, man? These binders cannot drive. Dude almost hit me head on, bro. But anyway, I'm just looking at the prices of the listen, I saw the price of a 2019 Scat Pack. It was $31,000, bro. Now, granted, it didn't have the Dynamics package and didn't have the Alcantara seats and all that stuff, but still, you still get the 392, and you get the 20-inch rims, sunroof, 8.4-inch screen for $31K, bro. So if you can get a 2019 Scat Pack for $31K, just imagine this time next year what you can get a wide body. I guess you can call it base model Scat Pack. Right now, you're gonna pay about 50 something for one. Around this time next year, I guarantee you can get one almost fully loaded for around the 40s. You know, one with pretty low mileage and that, you know, some decent mileage. I guarantee you can get it in the 40s or maybe even lower than that, depending on if Dodge is still doing the power dollars and all that stuff. So I don't know, man. It's just I keep going back and forth with myself about it. I know I really want the wide body, so I'm just like, if I just be patient like I've been, and trust me, I'm sick and tired of going back and forth about this myself. So I understand why people like, just go ahead and buy one and all that stuff. We ain't even gonna talk about the Hellcats. I mean, I think Kevin Van Voort made a video about buying a used Hellcat. And like he was saying, you can get a Hellcat around in the 40s, but it's more to it than just buying a Hellcat. And I already got into that. I'm not gonna go back into that whole deal again. So, but like I was saying, man, the Scat Packs, the prices are gonna come down, bro. Like, I just think they're a little too expensive right now. I'm not ready to pay almost $60,000 just for some fender flares. I'm just not gonna do it, bro. And of course, like I said, you can get a 19 Scat Pack brand new in the 30s. So it's just like, what do? You know, do you wait and let the wide bodies come down? Do you go ahead and get your 19 and add the wide body kit? Because even now, I can add the SRT kit package to my car, and my RT will look just like a Scat Pack for like $1,000. That has even came down the price to buy the kit. So it's just a lot of decisions, man. Just like you gotta just take your time and just and make the right decision, and that's what I'm trying to do, man. So just have to wait and see, man. I'm just gonna have to wait till the time is right, because like I told you guys, I'm working on my credit report. I'm not trying to pay no real high interest rate just because I get impatient and trying to just buy a car just to buy a car. I know my real loyal subscribers gonna stick with me regardless, and they know I'm gonna get something eventually. So I'm just gonna be patient, man. So when I pull the trigger, it's what I really want. You know what I'm saying? That way I can make real good content, because I actually got a car that I'm into. I don't want to just buy something just to say, oh, I bought something, and then I regret it 2 months later. I don't want to do that. I want to get something where when I get it, I feel good about I made the right decision and ain't no looking back. That's what I'm trying to do. So, but today, man, I got something in the mail. I told you guys I got 2 different brands of tires on the rear of my car right now. And I just got an email saying that my tires were delivered. But, and that's one of the reasons why I stopped driving my Charger, man, is because I'm gonna be honest, that joint was starting to ride like a boat. You know what I'm saying? Real wobbly. You know, my sensors were messing up. I just decided to stop driving it. That's why I'm driving the truck until I can get the new tires installed. God damn, man, I'm trying to get over, but these bombs ain't trying to let me over. So that's what's going on with my Charger, man. I parked it because it's starting to ride rough. It was, you know, kind of shaking. You know, it's kind of shaking. So I ain't want to, you know, mess around and knock something else loose, and end up messing up, you know, something in my suspension, man. Because them tires were, the front tires are wore out, and the rear tire, one of my rear tires are worn out. So, and the air pressure, I couldn't determine if I had the right amount of air pressure in my tires. So all of that was playing a part in how my car was riding. I'm not used to my car riding like that. My car has always ridden like it was new. You know what I'm saying? Like every time I drive that car, that car rode like it was brand new. That car damn near 5 years old. So, so that's what's going on with the Charger. But I just got the email, and my tires were delivered. So I know I can't get the tires installed today because I just don't have time to do it. I got a bunch of other crap I got to do. So hopefully by the weekend I can get the tires installed. I'm gonna do a video on that so you guys can see the new tires. And also, I got some other mods I'm gonna do to my Charger. So just stay tuned, man. I got a lot of stuff coming with the RT. But yeah, man, I almost pulled the trigger on that Scat Pack. And the guy called me today, man. I told him, I said, man, I just bought new tires for my RT. He's like, well, we'll give you the difference on the tires. We'll take that off the car. So they definitely trying to sell me this car, man. It is nice too. Got the red seats. Already got the toaster. It already had the Dynamics package. Indigo blue. Man, the Jones tight. 2018. They only want 33. I think he said 33.5 out the door. You know what I mean? So I almost thought about keeping my RT and buying that. Kind of like how Hemi Life 44 did. That's probably why he did what he did, because they probably weren't gonna give him nothing for his RT, and he got approved for the car without the trade. So I don't know, man. It's up in the air. I doubt I do it, because like I said, I really want the wide body. So I'm gonna just continue to be I'm just gonna continue to be patient. But for the YouTube call out, don't be surprised if I pull up in something other than the RT. I'm telling y'all right now, I ain't trying to go down there. Or if I do go down there with my RT, it's not gonna be like it is now. It's definitely gonna be something different about it. But of course, you guys will know beforehand what I do. So so stay tuned for that, man. I mean, I might surprise you guys with this one. So I just wanted to make a video, man, update you guys on what's going on with my RT, man, why I'm not driving it. And so hopefully this weekend I can get my tires installed and we be back on the road, and I can get some fresh content out here for you guys, man. So if this is your first time joining my channel, hit that like button, man, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.